our history class. Jagdish Kumar, qualification MA BEd, designation lecturer in history, school HSS Naksini, district. आज 8वां यूनिट है ये, कन्फर्मेशन ऑफ कल्चर्स यूनिट का नाम है. गिव ए ब्रीफ अकाउंट ऑफ द कॉजेज ऑफ ज्योग्राफिकल डिस्कवरी ड्यूरिंग द 15th century. The Europeans pioneered the series of geographical discovery during the 15th century. तो 15वीं शताब्दी में यूरोप में बहुत सी डिस्कवरियाँ हुई थी. Several factors were responsible for this. A brief account of these is as under. Economic motives. The economic motives gave a great impetus to the European views of exploration. During the period from middle of the 14th century to the middle of the 15th century, the European economy was passing through a downward trend. तो उस वक्त इकनॉमी जो थी यूरोप की वो डाउनवर्ड्स थी, डाउनवर्ड्स में थी. प्लेग एंड wars had taken a heavy toll of life and material. तो बीमारी और जंग की वजह से life and material. Shortage of gold and silver had made it difficult to meet. तो shortage थी gold और silver की coins की. The Turkish occupation of Constantinople in 1453 CE gave a severe jolt to the prospects of the European trade. European trade भी इस पर प्रभावित था. It became imminent to find new regions to stem the tide of these crisis-ridden times. तो इनको नए रीजन की ज़रूरत थी. The economic needs of the European had increased manifold during the 15th century. 15th century में वहाँ की इकानमी थोड़ी इंक्रीज हुई. The newly emerged nation states were in a dire need of finance. तो जो नए स्टेट बने थे उनको इकनॉमिकली ज़रूरत थी पैसे की. फॉर द अपकीप ऑफ देयर लॉस्ट स्टैंडिंग आर्मीज, अपने आर्मी को बरकरार स्टैंड रखने के लिए. द यूरोपियन कुड सेटिस्फाई ऑल दीज एम्स बाय डिस्कवरिंग न्यू. तो नई डिस्कवरीज भी हो रही थी, इससे उनको बहुत फ़ायदा मिला. दस दे फेल्ट इंस्पायर्ड टू डिस्कवर ए न्यू रीजन. तो वो नए रीजन की नए देश की उनको ज़रूरत थी. New invention. The new navigational invention made during the course of 14th-15th century made it much easier for the sailors. नई डिस्कवरीज की वजह से 14वीं और 15वीं शताब्दी में उनको आने जाने में समुद्री रास्ते का पता लगने से उनको आसानी हो गई नए देश ढूंढने के लिए. इन द अननोन सीज. इन 1380 CE कंपास वाज इन्वेंटेड. कंपास मशीन की भी इजाद हो गई. तो प्रिशियसली डिटरमाइंड द डायरेक्शन. इट प्रूव टू बी द इन्वेंशन ए ग्रेट सिग्निफिकेंट. तो इससे बहुत बड़ा फ़ायदा मिला. इट हेल्प द सेलर्स नाउ precise direction while sailing in the open seas. It made sailors to sail in the it made in 16 it made it possible and undertake distant sea POs. In the 16th century, another apparatus of significance was invented called the astrolabe. This apparatus helped the sailors to measure distance from the equator. तो इक्वेटर से उनको डिस्टेंस नापने में भी आसानी हुई. सेम ईयर बतिस्ता came up with the exact map of the world. तो उसके बाद वर्ल्ड का मैप भी इजाद में आया. It helped the sailors knew exact distances between any two given places. The invention of telescope in 1619 CE made it possible for the sailors to look beyond normal vision. It helped them prepare themselves for the future threats. Above all, the Europeans had made tremendous improvements in the design of their ships during the contemporary period. Now the ship were designed to be lighter in weight. नए जहाज भी बने गए लाइटर वेट में, कम लाइट में ये वजन में, बिगर इन साइज, बड़े बड़े बनाए गए, एंड शिफ्ट इन मोमेंट एज कम्पेयर टू अर्लियर अनडाउटेडली ऑल दीज इन्वेंशन प्रूव टू बी वेरी सिग्निफिकेंट इन मेकिंग शिप योग सेफ एंड सिक्योर। तो उनको सफ़र करने में, समुद्र में, देश ढूंढने में, डिस्टेंस में बहुत आसानी होगी नई ईजाद की वजह से। पोटलेमीज जोग्राफी, पोटलेमी जोग्राफीज प्लेड ए सिग्निफिकेंट रोल इन द डिस्कवरी ऑफ न्यू ईयर। पोटलेमी वॉज ए नेटिव ऑफ इजिप्ट, तो वो इजिप्ट का रहने वाला था। ही रोट ए बुक ऑन जोग्राफी इन द 2nd सेंचुरी, तो उसने जोग्राफी में के बारे में लिखा था। इट वॉज पब्लिश्ड इन 1477 CE। इन इट Ptolemy proved invaluable geographical information about several countries of the world. In it, he gave a location of place on the base of latitude and longitude. He stated that the circumference of Earth measures 18,000 miles. He also declared that the Earth is spherical in shape. It made some shortcoming as well. He had measured the breadth of the ocean. उसने समुद्र की जो breadth थी, चौड़ाई थी, उसको भी नाप कर बताया in a wrong way, and thus they seemed much narrow. So the Europeans could not make out exactly as to how much distance they have traveled to cross the Atlantic Ocean. Despite this, the importance of Ptolemy geography cannot be underestimated. Religious motive. Christianity had always been a missionary religion, तो missionary religion था. The Christian missionaries, on account of their untiring efforts, had made Christianity a mass religion all over the Europe and Middle East. Middle Age में वो पूरे वर्ल्ड में इसका प्रचार करना चाहते थे, फैलाना चाहते. In fact, they were unprecedentedly successful in their efforts. काफ़ी कामयाबी भी मिली. Thereafter they turned their attention towards Asia and Africa. ज़्यादा अटेंशन उनकी एशिया और अफ्रीका के लिए थी. They intended to educate the native barbarians about the extensive benefits of being civilized. तो एजुकेशन पर भी उन्होंने जोर दिया. A large number of missionaries were ready to undertake missionary activities across their countries. अपने देश से बाहर भी, यूरोप देश से बाहर भी अपने इस धर्म को फैलाना चाहते थे. So the European merchants were also accompanied by the Christian missionaries to these countries. In fact, the inspiration given by the desire to the separate Christianity in these countries was a great drive force behind the sea voyages undertaken to discover new routes leading to these countries. Contribution of Iberian Peninsula. During the 15th century, people from across the Iberian Peninsula, that in Spain and Portugal, made valuable contribution towards finding the sea view. तो समुद्री रास्ते ईजाद करने में इनका बहुत बड़ा रोल था. Usually a question is asked as to why the rulers from Spain and Portugal were the pioneers in undertaking views exploration to discover any sea routes leading to the New World. तो ये ईजाद में लगे थे पुर्तगाल भी. Several factors were responsible for it. First, Spain and Portugal were very powerful at that time. उस वक्त powerful थे. So the economy all across the rest of Europe was in jeopardy. Second, the Spanish and Portuguese rulers desired to add their glory and prestige by accumulating great reserves of gold and wealth. Thirdly, they wanted to separate Christianity in the New World. तो इस्लाम क्रिश्चियन धर्म का वो प्रचार करना चाहते थे पूरे वर्ल्ड में. Fourthly, the Crusades had resulted in an increasing in the European desire to trade with the Orient. The rulers of these countries provided all possible help to the sailors undertaking the use of exploration. Contribution of Prince Henry of Portugal. तो पुर्तगाल का जो प्रिंस था उसका क्या रोल था इसमें. प्रिंस हेनरी ऑफ पुर्तगाल 1394 to 1460 CE played a vital role in encouraging the views of exploration. तो उसने भी इस समुद्री रास्ते के इजाद में बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा. सो ही इज known in history as Henry the Navigator. उसका नाम रखा गया. He was the youngest son of John I, the King of Portugal. He opened Naval Academy at Sargas with an aim to encourage voyage exploration. Several sailors, scientists, and calligraphers from across the world came to this naval academy to secure instruction in the art of navigation. It had understanding results. Here, future Europe's exploration was planned with an aim to encourage the prospectus of trade. Prince Henry established a commercial ties with the rulers of West अफ्रीका. तो वेस्ट अफ्रीका के जो रूलर्स थे, जो देश थे, उनके साथ उसने अपना कमर्शियल ट्रेड शुरू किया एंड आल्सो एस्टेब्लिश ट्रेड सेंटर्स इन बेजाडोर. तो उनके साथ भी इन्होंने अपना व्यापार शुरू किया था. इसी के साथ ये क्वेश्चन यहीं पर समाप्त होता है. नमस्कार.